Hiya, my Planners Anonymous kit for May has arrived. It's arrived earlier than usual, which is quite exciting because if you really like the kit, you can still subscribe to it. I think it starts shipping on the 15th of May, so if you subscribe before the 15th of May, you can receive this kit. Here we can see the kit this month is called Pretty Posy. Oh my goodness, this is gorgeous. This is the Vellum. I think it goes that way. It's a little bit brighter that way. Oh my goodness me, it's beautiful. All of they look like gerbera daisies. And the sky. Oh my goodness. I love it. So that's the Vellum. This is the acetate. On this side, which is the front side of the acetate, it's a nice bright gold. Hopefully that's catching the light just there, and you can see the bright gold. And on the reverse side, then there's paper. So this paper is like the Vellum. And on the reverse side of that, there is this print. So we have two of those. And then we have, this is cute, the honey. That's cute. The little jars of honey and the little honey servers. Oh my goodness, I love that. That's nice. The little fluffy bees. They look like friendly bees. They're big and fluffy. They don't look scary at all. So we have two of those. And then the last paper is just full of this bright, cheerful coloured daisy. And on the reverse side, oh, they're nice. So very simple and white, and then the flowers along the bottom. And so we have two of those also. They were the papers in the kit, and now just having a look in this bag, this is everything else that's in the planner kit. Oh, that's cute. Happy Mail with the little mini. That's a cute sticker. So this is everything that was in the separate bag in the kit. And we'll just start by having a look at the girl for the month. Every month there's a different girl, and this is the girl this month. And her name is Emma. So I won't read that. So if you get the kit, you can have the surprise of what that says. But basically each month Sammy just has a little message written on there, and this is Emma. Then we have the 3 rolls of washi for the kit, which we'll look at last. There's a pen. So this is like last month's pen with the blossom that was all pink, and this one is all orange. And hopefully you can see there the crystals that are inside it. And it has the Planners Anonymous written on there as usual. So that's the pen. I see there's a pouch this month. This is a complete surprise. There were no sneak peeks about the pouch. So it has the bright, cheerful flower on it. Oh, that's nice. And the pattern that I really liked here on the reverse side, a bright orange zip. And inside, oh, that's really nice. Inside is this gorgeous watercolor print. Wow, love that. Look at that, love that. So that's the pouch. That's a nice surprise. We have the stamp set for the month. So this is a 4x6 stamp set. I'll just take it out of the plastic. Oh, cute, cute, cute. Look at that bicycle. Love the bicycle. Love all these little icons down the bottom here. the little book. Choose to be happy. All of these gorgeous flowers. Beautiful stamps this month. And then we have our quote cards. Have every flower grows through the dirt. So true. I love this one. Choose to be happy. Grow your tomorrow. Life's a garden, dig it. And love the little things. Now there's normally 6 of them, so oh yes, there we go. In this moment, be happy, but just the regular bee, not the punny bee. So there we have the quote cards. Then the die cuts. Oh, she's so pretty. Here's the girl with her full face. So you may have noticed Sammy's signature girl has this on her eyes every month, whereas the girl in the die cut has actual eyes. If you can see those there. I find when she has eyes, like in the die cut, she seems to just have more of a personality, but this is just Planners Anonymous signature look, and I love that too. So this is the pocket for the month. So these are serrated on these 3 sides, so they fold in to create a pocket, and I love it this month with the envelope with the flowers piling out of it. That's cute. Then there's another large die cut, which will be fantastic for a dashboard or something. It could go this way or it could go this way. I like it like that, maybe on a planner dashboard. That's nice. Love the bicycle. Love, love, love the bicycle. Then there are 3 different flower bookmarks. So these are designed to fold over like this and use as a bookmark. What I do is put a little magnet on either side. Just from a sheet of magnets I got like at the it's a $2 shop over here, but like the dollar store. There's a signpost. 2 little fluffy gorgeous bees. Nice cheerful jar of flowers. And then this is the large feature die cut. So this is a 5x7 size, so perfect for a B6 planner. And it's stunning. I love it with the bicycle on it. Love, love, love that bicycle. Something about the flowers, it's such a cheerful sort of a scene. You could not look at this and not smile. So they're the die cuts for the month. And now we'll have a look at the stickers. So these are the stickers for the planner kit. There's also a separate sticker kit, which we'll look at last. So gorgeous. I love Sammy's attention to detail. Just gorgeous. These would be perfect for some sort of gardening journal. Just your everyday journal or planner, anything really. Oh my goodness. Love them. These girls just look so incredibly happy. Just love these stickers. In the weekly headers and the Traveller's Notebook sticker that folds. So you can attach these 2 together and have it closed in your planner, or you can stick it in your planner like that, whatever you fancy really. And these will be the colours for the kit this month. And here we have it here. Oh, and there's a sneak peek, which I had no idea. So next month's kit is called Getaway. and it looks like she's possibly in a bikini or a sundress. It looks like she's somewhere sunny and warm with water. Gorgeous. There we go, get away. So they're the 4 sheets of stickers this month, and then the only other thing in the planner kit that we haven't looked at yet are the washi. So I'll just roll those out so we can have a look. I've just got a page here with last month's washi on it, so I'll just roll it out on the reverse. Gorgeous rolled out. Just look at those. They are stunning. I ran out of page to actually put the full repeat of the wide washi, so there's just a little bit more before the washi repeats, and same with their thin washi. Sorry, the 15mm washi, you can see here's the repeat, just this little bit is where the start of that is. So you've got this unique pattern across the washi. So the thin one is a beautiful ombre with the golden bee on it. The 15mm is the beautiful daisy with gold foiled spots on it. Hopefully the camera's picking that up. And then the wide washi has these gorgeous flowers and it has golden bees across it as well. Such happy, sunny, gorgeous washi. Love it. So that's everything in the Pretty Posy planner subscription kit, which is a lot. And now I'll clear the decks and then we'll have a look at the sticker kit. This is the Pretty Posy sticker kit. As per usual for the last few months, there's an enormous wodge of stickers in the kit, just huge. So here's the first page with the gorgeous signature girl on it, and then these lovely flowers. And then we have these decorative items, these amazing flowers here, which are designed to put down the side of your box. Obviously you can do whatever you like with them. Oh, little seed packets with different seeds on them, and the little stacks of pots in the gardening book. So cute. Flowers, petals and leaves, and more beautiful pots of daisies here. Bees, so many little bees, heaps of gorgeous little bees. And then the little quotes for the month, always positive quotes. Then we have these little ones which are great for marking appointments in a planner, and then we have 2 months of date dots. Then these are the full box and double boxes, and then these are great for dividers in your planner box. They're nice with the bees, you love them. And these ones, so that's like the 5x7 card but without the bicycle on it. Oh, these are nice. Love these stickers, always love these in every kit, as they're decorative but you can still write on them. So I love those, and we get 2 of those. And then we've got the pages with their day headers and the watercolour swatches, the trackers and so on. So these are great functional stickers, and they're in the different colours. And then the gorgeous, gorgeous minis. Love the minis. Every month I love the minis. These ones are super cute. And then these are the more functional minis. So they're doing little tasks. And then these ones peek from the side or peek over the top. They look super cute on the page. So when I zoom out, you can see in the sticker kit there are 18 pages of stickers. So that's just fantastic value. They're 20 Australian dollars for all of these stickers, and that's just amazing. And they're such happy, cheerful stickers, really nice. Now you may hear the gardener outside. I do apologise for that. It's not actually my gardener. I do gardening myself. It's the gardener for next door, so I had no idea he was about to arrive and make noise. But hopefully, despite the gardening noise, which is actually quite appropriate for this kit, hopefully despite that noise you've been able to enjoy this unboxing. I'm loving it. It's such a different vibe from last month and Whale Song, but this is a really happy, uplifting kit, an amazing theme. So thanks for watching the unboxing. Bye.